Hello everyone, my name is Rachel Belva. I'm from 11 Science 2. So here I am going to explain the animal life cycles. Before that, what was the life cycles? Life cycles are the stage of change that creatures experience during a lifetime. Well, in the animal lifetime cycle, there is a with metamorphosis and without metamorphosis. So, metamorphosis is a radically different stage of metamorphosis that affects animals from hatching to adults. First, cycle of life without metamorphosis. In animals without metamorphosis, animals do not undergo very different body shapes. Body shapes. The second cycles, a life cycle of metamorphosis. Well, there's the first two metamorphoses in metamorphosis. The first perfect metamorphosis. The shape of an animal at birth is very different from the adult form. The second metamorphosis is imperfect. The shape of the animal at birth is not that different from the adult form. Okay, next I will explain the life cycle of the animal with an imperfect metamorphosis or of the dragonfly. The dragonfly is one of the insects that is frequently found is in a region close to the water source. A designated water source such a lake, a river, or a pond. The adult dragonfly has a long slender stomach, two pairs of wings, and three pairs of feet. They also have very large eyes. The adults will live near rivers, lakes, and ponds. Meanwhile, the larvae live in rivers, lakes, and ponds between plants and stones. The dragonfly principal predator are fish, turtles, frogs, ducks, storks, and other large insects. When the dragonfly is breeding, the male attacks the back of this abdomen to the female's head, and in this position they fly together. They will then find a place to land and a male and female pair. Female dragonflies lay near or underwater. First, the eggs. Female dragonflies can lay hundreds of eggs during their adult life. There are two kinds of dragonfly eggs. First, an endophyte egg. It is elongated and light on a plane. The dragonfly injects the eggs into stems or leaves of plants, rotten wood, or mud in or near the surface of the water. Secondly, the egg is ectropic. It is spherical in shape and will be placed in a matter such as jelly and deposited into the water. They did this by dunking the tip of their abdomen over and over again in the water. During an egg, the dragonfly keeps the newly made female together by staying together, or by flying closer. Some female dragonflies even drown themselves to lay their eggs, often though his attack mate helps him or her to pull him out of the water afterward. Second, nymphs. Dragonflies are ravenous predators that bear no resemblance to their adult form. The dragonfly will spend most of his life at this stage. As long as being a nymph, the dragonfly has a long enough time. He could even spend up to 4 years as a nymph. before becoming a full-grown dragonfly. While the dragonfly is in the tropical climate, it has less than a dragonfly that lives in a moderate climate. Climate dragonflies require a longer period of time, with the arrival of winter delaying maturation. The dragonfly's nymphs will live in water such as a pool or a swamp until it finally appears to shed its skin for the last time. Horseflies have six legs just like adult dragonflies. It also has a flap of wings and extend hinge jaw that can shoot in seconds and capture prey. Third, adult dragonflies. The life cycle of the dragonfly after becoming a nymph is to become a winged adult dragonfly in early spring or early summer. The following Monday 2 will become fully adult dragonflies. After that, the dragonfly will be ready to breed. At this stage, the dragonfly's color will become brighter and have traveled very far from its place to nymphs. It may even travel hundreds of miles from where it becomes a nymph. When adults, the dragonfly is particularly fond of eating other insects such as mosquitoes and flies. They're also quite good at preying on other insects as they fly. Is it not uncommon for the dragonfly to be a voracious predator? One of its sharpness is being able to fly backward, forward, and sideways. Once the female is fully developed, it will be ready to mate with several male dragonflies before it lays its eggs. When adults, the dragonfly returns the water to reproduce. Thank you.